Kukirin 4 after many miles of usage. I had many electric scooters, inexpensive one, extremely expensive one, and this is number one. Why is it? Because price to performance is unbeatable. Simple as that. And I got no issues. Zero issues at all. How crazy is that? With the very expensive ones, I got issues all the time, and I've spent more in service than riding itself. With the least expensive ones, a little less issues, but still some of them. Basically zero issues, that's what I meant. All I did is replace those brake pads, because I'm I'm a heavy user, let's say. Heavy, those front and back, and that's all it is. And I love the fender on the back. It is fantastic, phenomenal. It blocks 95% of any liquid. It looks bad. It's not a looker. It looks like a tank on the back. This electric scooter looks way better without it, but 95%, that's way more than any other scooter on the market. And I think that's all I got. Oh, wait. On the front, if you not speed too much, if you're like in the 20-30 kilometers per hour, you're still covered by the front. You see? There's nothing on me. Nothing on the front and back. I'm all clean. And I went like 10 kilometers with that weather. So, there you go. I also bought a really cool pouch. Link in the description for you. It's very useful. It's quite big. Doesn't look great on it, but you can have some drink, soft drink, or power bank, whatever. Extremely useful. Acceleration is really good. I weigh 100 kilograms, and let's say it's 30% less than 2-engine 4,000 watts, even 8,000 watts scooter. I had 8,000 watt scooter, and it was like 30 to 40% more acceleration, but it cost like 5 times more. So price to performance, unbelievable, but it's true. Link in the description for you. And I think that's all I got. Just a quick overview of the Kukirin G4 after many kilometers, thousands of kilometers, and the front tire is still like brand new, and the back tire, okay, back tire is like half is gone. And by the way, no shimmy on it. Even if I go 70 kilometers per hour, which I could, no shimmy, no wobbling, zero. How crazy is that? No steering damper is needed. I love it. Link in the description. See you next video. Bye.